Yeah, it's a lot of moving parts. Yeah. So there's a quote from Darwin: "It's not the strongest of the species that survive, it's the one that is the most adaptable to change." At Lufa Farms, our mission is to build a better food system. We have 4 rooftop farms here in Montreal. We're a team of about 700 employees, and we work with 350 partners, farmers and food makers from throughout the region. These are organic farmers, these are bakers, and we deliver weekly orders to about 30,000 lufavores all throughout Quebec. I think the number one thing we set out to do was to grow food closer to where people live and grow it more sustainably. We also benefit, obviously, from the heat rising from the building below. And then we rent the rooftop, so it's kind of a added value for the building owners as well. One of the biggest challenges to date that we've had is how do we build a rooftop greenhouse? Not so straightforward, had not been done before, not at this scale. So figuring out how to first farm responsibly. We don't use any synthetic pesticides. We recirculate our water. We watch our footprint really closely, and solving one problem at a, relatively one problem at a time, I would say. I'm most proud of what we've built, and that's proven the concept of constructing a greenhouse on a rooftop and feeding people from it at scale. I mean, we went from a few hundred customer baskets that we used to do our first summer to now tens of thousands of orders a week. We've proven the concept. It's time to replicate it in a new city.